Hey everybody, Uncle Pip here. Today I brought home the half a Jeep. So here behind me in the bed of my truck is a front axle attached to half a frame still. So the plan now is to take that axle off that half frame and put that on the front of the CJ2A that we just picked up last week. And that way we'll have a complete rolling chassis and we'll go from there. So join me as we go through this adventure together. I actually don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how I'm going to get it off. I don't know how I'm going to get it on. It's going to be fun.
So we're going to do a quick walk around for you so you can see the whole thing, what I'm dealing with. And somehow we're going to attach it here and make that a more complete piece.
I couldn't get the frame off while it was in the bed. But I got to give up for today. No, I don't know what I'm doing. That happened.